Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Having all the right ingredients for a culinary masterpiece means using the best dishes for baking, cooking, and serving. That's why for nearly 100 years, world kitchen brands like Pyrex have been cooking up innovations in the kitchen. World Kitchen is the name behind well-known brands such as Pyrex, Corningware, Corel, and Baker's Secret. It's a global company with local roots. In the small town of Charleroi, Pennsylvania, World Kitchen makes the famous Pyrex bakeware. Pyrex products are found in 80% of U.S. homes. That's a pretty impressive record. Safety, satisfaction, and innovation are the main ingredients used to create dozens of shapes and sizes of bowls, pans, and measuring cups. Pyrex glassware has been designed to be impact and temperature resistant and is made of the same heat-strengthened raw materials since the 1940s. They stand up to rigorous quality testing at the manufacturing facility and to the demands of frequent kitchen use. Pyrex baking dishes are so durable that they're frequently handed down to the next generation. Innovation means bakeware that keeps in step with the fast-paced lifestyles of modern families. Why spend time cleaning multiple dishes when you can prep, bake, store, and microwave in the same dish? Add to this features such as no-leak lids and easy grab handles, and it's easy to see why Pyrex products are mealtime favorites. To see what else is cooking at World Kitchen, visit its website